What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you something even better than a giveaway 50 real ways to make money from home right now. I get messages all the time from stay-at-home parents asking how to earn extra cash while juggling everything else. Finding a flexible job can feel impossible, but I'm here to show you it's not. No get-rich-quick schemes, just 50 legit, practical ways to earn from home. I've researched every single one, and I'll tell you what it is and how to start today. The challenge watch, pick one idea, and try it. You have nothing to lose and a new income stream to gain. Grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the ultimate guide to making money from home. Let's get this challenge started. First up, freelance writing. Write articles for blogs or businesses on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Number 2, become a virtual assistant. Handle admin tasks for clients you find online. Third, online tutoring. Teach subjects like math or English to kids on platforms like VIP Kid. Number 4, sell handmade crafts. Unique jewelry, candles, and art sell well on Etsy. At number 5, dropshipping. Sell products online while another company handles shipping. No inventory needed. Number 6, print-on-demand design t-shirts or mugs, and a company prints and ships them. 7, social media management. Help businesses grow their Instagram or Facebook pages. Number 8, start a blog, earn money from ads and promoting products you love. Next up, start a YouTube channel, share your passion, whether it's gaming, cooking, or parenting. Number 10, online surveys. Sites like Swagbucks pay you for your opinions. Number 11, data entry. Type info into spreadsheets. Find these jobs on remote job boards. At 12, transcription. Listen to audio and type out what's being said. Number 13, proofreading. Edit documents for people if you have a sharp eye. Next, graphic design. Use tools like Canva to create graphics, no pro skills needed. At 15, voiceover work. Get paid to record for commercials if you have a great voice. Number 16, sell digital products. Create planners, templates, or ebooks and sell them repeatedly. At 17, affiliate marketing. Share a special link to a product and earn a commission on sales. Number 18, pet sitting. Use apps like Rover to find gigs watching people's pets. Number 19, babysitting. Use online platforms to connect with families near you. At number 20, rent out a spare room in your house on Airbnb. At 21, online coaching. Be a life coach, fitness coach, or business coach over Zoom. Number 22, remote customer service. Answer customer questions for companies from home. Next up, selling on eBay. Find stuff you don't use and flip it online. 24, stock photography. Upload your photos to sites like Shutterstock. Number 25, start a podcast. Talk about a topic you love and get sponsors. 26, translation services. If you're bilingual, translate documents for businesses. Spanish and Mandarin are in demand. At 27, online bookkeeping. Manage finances for businesses if you're organized. Number 28, create an online course. Package your knowledge on Udemy and earn passive income. 29, app testing. Get paid to test new apps and give feedback. At number 30, website testing. Record your screen and voice while using new websites. 31, sell your used clothes. Apps like Poshmark make it easy to clear your closet. At 32, mystery shopping. Get paid to visit stores and report on your experience. 33, rent out your equipment. Power tools, cameras, or party supplies can be rented. At 34, flipping furniture. Find cheap pieces, fix them up, and sell for profit. Number 35, write and sell ebooks. Self-publish on Amazon KDP and reach readers worldwide. 36, become a social media influencer. Build a following and partner with brands. At 37, sell baked goods. If people love your cookies, sell them locally online. 38, online focus groups. Companies pay well for your opinions in group discussions. At 39, remote tech support. Help people solve tech issues from home. Number 40, create printables, budget trackers, and wall art sell like crazy on Etsy. 41, sell your art. Offer originals or prints on online marketplaces. At 42, resume writing. Help people improve their resumes for a fee. 43. Online moderation. Get paid to keep online communities safe. At 44, rent out your car, list it on Turo if it sits idle. 45. Sell plants, propagate and sell them locally if you have a green thumb. At 46, tax preparation. Help people file taxes from your home office during tax season. 47. Teach music lessons online, guitar, piano, or singing via Zoom. At 48, sell vintage items. Find collectibles at thrift stores and sell online. 49. Online research. Get paid to find information and compile reports. And finally, number 50. Create a subscription box, curate themed goodies, and ship monthly. And that's it. 50 ways to start making money from home today. I hope you found at least one idea that got you excited. The next step, take action. Don't just close this video. Pick one thing and try it for the next 30 days. You might discover a new passion or income stream. Remember, you're looking for flexibility and a way to provide for your family on your own terms. All of these opportunities can help you get there. It won't happen overnight, but with effort, it's possible. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more. Share this with someone who needs it, and comment below which idea you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, check the link in my bio for more resources. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on how to make money on